The structure of the future perfect continuous with will is will have been plus the present participle. It is used to describe how something will continue until a future moment, an action, event, or a time reference. Remember to use the present simple when introducing the future moment. Also, don't use will in the part which talks about the future reference. And remember, don't use non-continuous verbs in continuous sentences. Jane will have been teaching for over an hour by the time her assistant arrives. I will have been learning to drive for 6 months by the time I take my test. I will have been studying for 2 years by the time I graduate. We also use the future perfect continuous to show why we have a particular result. He'll be tired when he gets home because he will have been running for an hour. I'll have jet lag when I arrive in Brisbane because I will have been travelling for over 20 hours. One final thing to mention about the future perfect continuous is active and passive. The passive form of the future perfect continuous isn't commonly used, but it is good to be able to recognize it. Here you'll see an active form and then a passive form. I will have been painting the house for 3 weeks by the time it is completely finished. The house will have been being painted by me for 3 weeks by the time it's completely finished. This tense is not easy, so I recommend watching the video as often as possible to keep practicing the structures. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for listening. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for notifications of new videos.